pala pwede ngayon, crispy fries. Hindi pala ako pwede magligo challenge. Pakatapos na ng after 4 days. Full of milk. No, it's not full of milk. Crispy fries. After 4 days ako pwede magligo challenge. Hindi pa pwede. May pang highlights na ako. Sige, ikimbot mo, baby. Thank you guys for the 18 likes. May sugat, oo nga. Nawala yung lahat kong mga videos sa kuwan ko. Sa cellphone ko. Yan ang pang-live kong cellphone. Nag-reformat yung cellphone ko, nawala lahat ng video. Tapos, buti nga, na-open ko yung ko. Thank you so much, 7 people. Lady Jaja. Lady Jaja, no, not lady like that. Like this, John's mission like this. I love you, stay blessed. Oh, thank you. Same to you, Ayush. Wish you successful future. I hope that. I wish. Always, I'm talking with my friend to be successful in life one day. But it's already so late. Wish you success. Ako nga 50 na ako, crispy fries. 50 na. Ikaw ba 60? Crispy fries, 26 ka pa lang. 50 na ako, gurang na si Inday. Ayan, almost 1 hour. Mag-end na ako maya-maya crispy fries kasi gusto kong i-live yung isa ko channel. Bakit crispy fries? Tanda ko nang tingnan. Mukha na ba akong 55? Mukha na akong 55. Dalmao ni Lady Jaja. Ano daw? Si Lady Jaja. Thank you, Ayus. Love you more. Love you more. Love you more. Ayos, visit my other channel, Ayos. I will live after 10 minutes. That's why I want to end this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. See that girl. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Ayus. I am waiting on other channel. Yeah, now I will end, guys. Thank you very much. It's already 1 hour, so I can start my other channel. I hope I will see you there. Thank you so much to all of you there, and thank you for the likes and share and to subscribe my channel. Once again, Lady Peanut, I hope you will come back again. See you tomorrow. I will check if I can do it. I can do live streaming again. Thank you so much, Jones, Ayus, Crispy Price, Marvin, and to all my silent viewers. Thank you so much. Ayus, thanks a lot. Love you too. Bye-bye.